If your Spectrum cable box is stuck on authorizing or loading when trying to access video on demand, VOD, it means your box is failing to authenticate with Spectrum servers. This is often due to network problems or authorization failures. The box needs to receive a secure token to validate your access. Common causes include server overload, expired sessions, or software bugs in your cable box. Spectrum has rolled out firmware updates to reduce these errors, but issues can still occur, especially during peak usage times or due to network outages. First, power cycle your cable box by unplugging it for 60 seconds. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check your signal strength via the box's diagnostic menu, usually found in Settings. For network problems, ensure your internet speed meets the minimum requirement of 25 megabits for VOD. If using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection to bypass potential interference. As a last resort, consider a factory reset, but be aware that this will erase your settings. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support for assistance. Potentially consider upgrading your equipment or use the Spectrum app on another device to view VOD content.